I just built an automation system for HVAC companies to recover their missed opportunities when their business phone number is busy or when there is no one to answer their business mobile number. And when, due to some reasons, the user himself seriously canceled the call before our business executive seriously lifted the call. So to make this possible, we have to be, grabbing the events when the caller is busy and when our business number is busy and when our business number have a missed call and when somebody canceled the call in middle to our business number. So to make this possible, we'll be using Twilio. So in Twilio, just purchase a number out there. After that, after activating the number, just go to the voice configuration and you will be seeing a field called call status changes. So you have to be giving a webhook URL over here. So for that, our first workflow is a webhook node. So we have to be give this particular production URL and paste it over here and click on HTTP post and save the configuration. That's it. That's simple. So that that video will send each and every event. Whenever the call status was changed. But we, as I told before, we only need three scenarios: when the caller is busy, when there is no answer, technically a missed call, when the user himself cancel the call, or due to some network issues the call was cancelled, or some due to some other issues. Okay, so we have to be only filtering out these positions. So yeah, with this particular if node, we will be filtering that thing. And after that, we will be extracting the lead data to here, like phone number and the call number, technically our business number, and the call status and call SID and call time and source and tax and etc. etc. So after that, we will be creating a lead in GoHighLevel CRM. So to be clear, we only have the customer's mobile number. So we have to be use a dummy email just to save the content. But don't worry, this is a complete automation system. When we will be, uh, filling the blanks of the lead, like their like the customer's full name and email, and if we need the address and all, yeah, obviously. But for now, we seriously give the dummy email and we seriously give the phone from the lead data. And to be precise, we also be needing these two custom fields. So we have to be create two custom fields in contact thing. So sorry, yeah, okay. We can seriously create two custom fields by clicking on here, add custom field and all. So yeah, nothing to worry. So just create these two and say send this data, like what was the call phone number and what was the call SID and all, and other things, and the source was be sent to here and the tags and all. Okay, after that we will be creating an opportunity in high level. Okay, but to create an opportunity in high level, we will be needing a pipeline. So first of all, we have to be create a pipeline that was called missed call to appointment, and it should have three stages. One was SMS sent, and one was appointment link sent, and another was booked. That's it. Just simple. So just create a pipeline and seriously create these stages in that particular pipeline so that we will be using, we can create an opportunity in this particular pipeline. Okay. So just don't confuse over here. So after that, we will be using the customer ID to create an opportunity in this particular missed call to appointment pipeline. Okay, so I hope you get it. After that, we will be sending an SMS saying this thing, like, hi, I believe you missed a call with us. Just enter in your name and your company name here, and please state your issue here. This was one of the sample text messages out there, which this particular SMS was also be sent automatically. Okay, after sending the after sending the SMS, just seriously update the update the opportunity to the stage one, which was nothing but SMS sent. Okay, so this is the overview of the first sub workflow. And after that, let's say we come to the sub workflow too. Let's say the user seriously to whom we sent an SMS over here was seriously replied. Okay, so replied and he said something like maybe just a second. He said something like, okay, hello, I'm Var and I have this particular issue. Can you please visit and fix it for me and blah 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 blah. So you know the Twilio trigger, SMS receiver trigger will seriously catch that particular SMS which was replied back to our Twilio mobile number, and it was default. There is no need to for you to do any actionable things. Just you have to be, creating an a Twilio account credential over there, and to validate whether this particular SMS reply was from our lead or not. Okay, so this is very important because sometimes a lot of trash emails, trash SMSs also can be received to our Twilio mobile numbers too. So just make sure you you will validate the you know uh, validate the SMS reply whether it was from one of our contacts or not, contacts in Go High Level or not. So if that passes the check, if that passes the test, we will be moving forward. And also, it is very, very important for us to verify whether the pipeline state, I mean, what was the opportunity state? Okay. So let's say we are updating SMS sent. I mean, we are updating the opportunity in the first sub workflow to SMS sent, right? So we will be filtering out that too. So because of some random issue, it was not loading, but just ignore it because in production it will work. So you know we will be filtering that particular thing, like SMS sent no reply. We will be filtering out only the SMSs, only the opportunities where their current opportunity status was set to SMS sent. Okay, and then the LLM will identify. Okay, this was the user's reply to our previous message, and this was the system prompt. Okay, this is kind of simplified thing. So the purpose of the LLM, technically an AI agent over here, is it will seriously check whether the user's reply was seriously an opportunity for us, for our HVAC business or not. So it will seriously return yes or no in the output. Okay. So based on that yes or no, we will be filtering out. If the answer is no, we will be just leaving that lead. If the answer is yes, I mean, if the AI agent was saying, okay, yeah, this particular user might be an opportunity for us, then we will be moving forward, and we will be sending our second SMS in the second sub workflow. So what we will do is we will be sharing our booking link here. Okay, so to just have that particular booking link, just go to your calendars and just click on here, and you'll be getting the scheduling link and all. Okay, so just enter the booking link over here, and after that, after sending that particular appointment link to the customer back, just update the opportunity stage. Okay, so before our stage was only SMS sent and no reply, right? So we will be moving the particular stage, opportunity stage to engage it appointment link sent, because in the previous node we seriously sent the booking link, right? So because of that, we will be sending the stage. I mean, we will be updating the opportunity stage. Okay. So and after that, last but not least, you know, there is this last sub workflow. So this particular webhook will get triggered whenever the user will seriously use this particular calendar link and schedule a new appointment. Okay. So whenever an appointment book, this particular webhook will get triggered. So nothing to worry. But apart from that, this is not out of the box solution. Okay. Because in Go High Level, there is no such thing as a direct opportunity for us to sending the new appointment status to the webhook. But Go High Level is so advanced out there. We can seriously create a workflow internally. So let's say this is just the two node workflow which made possible whenever a new appointment was created. So it will be moving forward and sending the appointment to this particular webhook, which was nothing but our technically, our production URL. Okay, so nothing to worry about from that. So because of this particular automation which was created internally in Go High Level, whenever a client seriously scheduled an appointment, we will be receiving it right here. Okay, and obviously, even after grabbing the opportunity, grabbing the appointment, we will be also cross-verifying whether this particular appointment was from our opportunity lead. I mean, technical our Go High Level lead or not. Okay. So for doing that, we will be querying that particular user's mobile number, and after that, we will be checking our opportunity state too. Okay. And just don't worry about this particular whole thing, because here in the third suburb flow, our opportunity state must matches this particular thing. I mean, this engaged appointment link sent. Okay, so we will be checking, or we will be passing the data only forward only when uh, you know that particular opportunity stage was at appointment link sent. Okay, you got me what I'm saying. Just don't confuse over here. This was pretty simple. And after that, this is the main node here. And as before I stated, right, over here, we don't even have the user's email address and user name and all, right? So we are seriously using some random duplicate emails out there. Okay. So, but right here, just to create an appointment, the customer will enter the email address and the name, like first name and last name, and yeah, and if we needed, we can seriously add external fields like the address and all other things, right? So yeah, it will seriously fills the gap automatically, right? In the contact lead. Okay. So after we seriously saving I mean after we saving the right email address and the right full name of the particular contact, we will be updating our dummy email address to the real one, and saving the user's real name too. And after that, we seriously change. We seriously convert the opportunity stage to the final one, which was nothing but booked, and that's it. This is how a complete, missed call opportunity recovery automation system, which was specifically built for HVAC companies. Let's see things in action, but before moving forward, I already pinned the previous execution data just to save some time because we this particular video was already too lengthy for this particular thing. So please don't mind about it. So let's move forward. Okay, perfect. The missed call, even from Twilio got fired this particular webhook, and our filter was seriously filtered these three events, and it said true, so it moved forward the data, and we extracted the lead data, and we created a content, technically create a lead in GoHighLevel with a dummy mail and with no name of the customer and all, and we create an opportunity and all. So we send an SMS to via Twilio and update the opportunity status to SMS sent and no reply. Okay, so let's just verify it with this particular SMS whether we received that particular message or not by watching my phone. So yeah, we got an SMS saying the same template that we have used it in this particular node before. So after that, our first step was completed. Let's say if the customer seriously replied in a positive way for that particular message and gave their issue. So let's see how this particular thing goes. Okay, perfect. So, the SMS, the client SMS was received, and we already validated the SMS whether this particular reply was from our, contact or not. And we also verify the pipeline state was only the stage one or not. Even if the pipeline stage was, move forward from stage two, stage two or stage three, it will get filtered right here. So if these two validation checks was passed, then only we will be sending the user's message to this particular AI analyzer. So it will say is whether the user message was an opportunity, HVAC opportunity or not. So in this particular case, it was a yes. So yeah, the our if node exactly catches the yes, and it seriously sent an SMS to the recipient and updated the lead opportunity to, you know, what we say to engage it and appointment links it. So no worries. Let's just verify it whether we receive a message or not. Okay, we receive a message with the link already. Let's say if we seriously schedule an appointment over here. So this particular appointment, this particular webhook will get triggered. So after that, let's just try to execute this particular workflow. Okay, it was fine. And, it also updated the contact details of that particular lead from the booking data, appointment information. Because before we was only having the user's mobile number, right? So in here we are seriously filling the gap, like giving the lead the name and their email address, so that this whole gap was seriously filled automatically. So this automation was complete. Okay, and the opportunity stage was updated to book it. So that's how this particular automation was working. That's it for today, guys.